you for calling the London Aquarium. We have one of the biggest aquatic displays in Europe. All the family can have an educational and fun day out. On level 1, you can visit the Pacific Ocean tank with its exotic tropical fish. One floor higher, on level 2, there is the coral reef area with its magnificent colourful coral. As well as all this, there are a number of different interesting talks you can listen to. And don't miss the chance to feed the sharks when you visit on Tuesdays, Thursdays or Saturdays. We are open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. every day. Tickets cost £8.25 for adults and £6.75 for children aged between 3 and 14. We look forward to seeing you very soon.